It's 4 o'clock, the markets have closed. I'm actually in the studio right now, and it's officially happy hour in New York City. U.S. stocks closed near unchanged on Thursday, with the Dow Jones rising to a record high as investors sorted through economic data. Now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average managed to trade between slight gains and slight declines this afternoon, and the S&P 500 lost a few points, with utilities leading the laggards, as well as energy amongst the best performers, and the Nasdaq in the red. Let's now take a look and see exactly how the markets closed out today's session. In other markets, the U.S. dollar continuing to climb against its counterparts. Over at the New York Mercantile Exchange, gold price is settling in at a more than 3-year low, falling 3.3% to $11.9360 an ounce. And the cost of crude oil prices continuing to rise, as futures for February were up about 1% at $98.77 a barrel. Over on the economic front today, existing home sales falling to their lowest level in nearly 1 year, and new claims for jobless benefits continued to climb last week to a near 9-month high. The Philadelphia Fed factory activity, that climbed a bit this month, and an index of leading economic indicators that rose 0.8% last month. And lastly, in corporate news, Facebook declining after the social networking company said founder Mark Zuckerberg would sell 41.4 million shares worth about $2.3 billion as part of an offering of 70 million shares. And Target shares falling after the discount retailer said about 40 million credit and debit card accounts used by its customers may have been impacted by a huge data breach. So there you have it. Grab yourself a drink. It's happy hour in New York City, and I will see you guys all tomorrow morning. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Smith.